Upgrade your toolbox without breaking the bank. You don't need to spend hundreds to get quality gear. Today, we're counting down 10 of the coolest tools on Amazon, and every single one is under 50 bucks. From contractors to weekend warriors, these gadgets will make your life easier, safer, and more productive. Let's dive in.
Number 1. Klein Tools 7-in-1 Nut Driver. This isn't just a screwdriver, it's 7 tools in one sleek package. The Klein Tools 7-in-1 Nut Driver covers SAE hex nut sizes from 1/4 inch all the way up to 9/16 inch, so you're ready for almost any fastener you'll encounter. What makes it special? The magnetic tips on 5 of the sizes use powerful, rare earth magnets to grip nuts and bolts securely. No more dropping hardware into tight spaces. The remaining 2 sizes use a clever spring coil design that holds fasteners just as firmly. The hollow shafts let you drive nuts deep onto bolts or threaded rods, something standard drivers can't do. And when things get tough, the wrench assist on the handle gives you extra torque. Plus, the color-coded bands mean you grab the right size instantly. Whether you're an electrician, HVAC tech, or DIY enthusiast, this tool saves time, saves frustration, and fits right in your pocket. Number 2. Klein Tools Locking Pliers Set, 7-inch and 10-inch curved jaw pliers. This dynamic duo gives you 2 sizes for the price of one, a 7-inch and 10-inch curved jaw plier set from Klein Tools. These locking pliers are engineered for maximum gripping power and a secure hold that won't slip even on the toughest jobs. What sets them apart? The pinch-free design features leverless, quick-release handles, so you can unlock them instantly without pinching your fingers. Adjusting the size is effortless too. Just turn the intuitive thumb knob for quick changes on the fly. The molded grips make all-day use comfortable, reducing hand fatigue during extended projects. Plus, the rust-preventative coating protects these pliers from corrosion, so they stay reliable for years. Whether you're clamping pipes, gripping stripped bolts, or welding, this set delivers professional-grade performance. It's the versatile gripping solution every toolbox deserves. Number 3. Shinto Saw File. The Shinto Saw File is a versatile shaping tool that belongs in every workshop. Unlike traditional files that clog up quickly, this one features a specially processed metal cutting saw blade that resists clogging, so you can work longer without stopping to clean it. What can you use it on? Deburring soft metals. The file has 2 different cutting surfaces for coarse and fine work, giving you complete control over your material removal. The durable SK material construction means this file is built to last through heavy use, and the grip features a plastic and elastomer double wall design that provides comfort and control even during extended sessions. If you do any kind of shaping or smoothing, this tool is a game changer. Number 4. Duratech 3-piece level tool set. This 3-piece level set from Duratech gives you everything you need for precise measuring. You get an 8-inch level, a 6¼ inch torpedo level, and a 2½ inch pocket level, perfect for projects big and small. The high visibility bubbles make reading angles incredibly easy. The vials feature fluorescent yellow-green bubbles that highlight the edges for improved contrast. You can read them from the front, back, or top, so you never have to strain your eyes. Powerful rare earth magnets keep these levels securely attached to metal surfaces, freeing up your hands for safe, convenient operation. The durable aluminum alloy frame resists wear and tear, while the V-groove base provides stable contact on pipes and round stock. With accurate SAE and metric scales, you'll achieve professional results every time. Whether you're hanging shelves, installing cabinets, or working on plumbing, this set has you covered. Number 5. Esquay Pressure Rivet Nut Toolkit. This Esquay Pressure Rivet Nut Toolkit is a complete solution for installing threaded inserts. It includes 1 heavy-duty installation tool and 430 pieces of metric rivet nuts in 5 different sizes, ranging from M3 all the way up to M8. That means you will have the right size for almost any project.
The installers are made from high-quality steel, so they're sturdy and built to last. The rivet nuts themselves are carbon steel with a galvanized coating, which prevents rust and corrosion during long-term storage. The knurled flathead thread design prevents slipping, ensuring a secure grip every time. Where can you use this? Furniture assembly, car repairs, metal doors and windows, home decoration, metal sheet metalwork, and industrial applications. The transparent storage box with clear labels keeps everything organized and portable. If you work with sheet metal or thin materials, this tool is a total game changer. Number 6. Prexiso 2-in-1 Stud Finder with Laser Level. This Prexiso 2-in-1 tool combines a stud finder and a laser level in one compact, rechargeable device. It detects wood studs, metal studs, and even live AC wires through drywall, keeping you safe from electrical hazards during your projects. When the stud finder locates an edge, the device automatically projects a vertical laser line while the top LED lights turn red and an audio alert sounds. This gives you visual and audible guidance for precise marking. You simply repeat the detection from the other side to find the exact center of the stud. The manual leveling laser projects horizontal, vertical, or cross lines with help from lighted bubble vials for visibility in dark areas. The laser works up to 30 feet indoors. It also comes with a 360-degree rotating wall mount with multiple fixing options for different surfaces. Whether you are hanging pictures, mounting shelves, or installing frames, this tool makes the job faster and more accurate. Number 7. Cellstrom Ultraflex Knee Pro Professional Knee Pads. These Cellstrom Ultraflex Knee Pro knee pads offer professional-grade knee protection for both men and women. The super lightweight design makes them comfortable to wear for long periods, whether you are kneeling, crawling, or squatting on the job. The ultra-durable hard plastic outer shell withstands impact and protects against sharp objects. The ergonomic hinged design keeps the knee pads securely in place while you move. A non-marking grip strip provides stability and reduces pressure on your knees. The upgraded foam padding features ventilation holes and a 3/4-inch thick triple-layer construction for maximum comfort, breathability, and impact absorption. The improved quick-clip buckles make them effortless to put on and take off. The soft, adjustable double straps sit well above and below the knee to reduce pressure points. These are built for construction workers, roofers, tilers, landscapers, HVAC technicians, and anyone who needs reliable knee protection. Number 8. Roti Construction Calculator with Writing Tablet. This Roti Construction Calculator combines a powerful engineering calculator with a built-in writing tablet. The flip-page writing pad lets you jot down quick notes without wasting paper or searching for a pen, making it both eco-friendly and convenient. The thick, phone-like material provides strong protection against drops and harsh construction environments, so it lasts through demanding job sites. The large 3-inch screen features 12 digits for clear, easy reading that reduces errors. With over 200 engineering functions, this calculator handles mixed dimensions, area and volume calculations, concrete estimates, roofing materials, stair layouts, rafter lengths, and much more. The 45 fast rebound hard PC buttons are logically arranged for smooth, efficient use. 3 storage registers let you save and recall numbers easily. It even shuts down automatically after 8 to 12 minutes of inactivity to save battery life. Whether you are a contractor, framer, or remodeler, this tool streamlines your math. Number 9. 74-piece Magnetic Nut Driver Set. This 74-piece magnetic nut driver set is a comprehensive solution for any mechanic, contractor, or DIY enthusiast. It includes metric and SAE nut drivers, screwdriver bits, a 1/4-inch quick change extension, and even a universal socket, so you are prepared for almost any fastening task. The impact-rated drivers are forged from chrome vanadium and S2 steel with a manganese phosphate coating. This means they can withstand high-torque applications while resisting wear and corrosion for long-lasting durability. The deep reach magnetic sockets provide extra clearance for recessed fasteners, making them perfect for automotive, electrical, and mechanical work. Industrial strength embedded magnets securely hold screws, bolts, and nuts in place, preventing dropped hardware and improving your work efficiency. The set also includes a wing nut driver for those unique applications. Everything comes organized in a sturdy case. Whether you are working on appliances, vehicles, or construction projects, this set has you covered. Number 10. S&F Stead & Fast Digital Angle Finder. This S&F Stead & Fast Digital Angle Finder delivers high-precision measurements with plus or minus 0.2 degrees accuracy and 0.1 degree resolution. That means you can say goodbye to guesswork and achieve fast, precise saw blade setup every time. The built-in miter button helps calculate miter and bevel angles for compound cuts, crown molding, picture frames, baseboard, and custom joints. It easily measures inside, outside, supplementary, and relative angles across a full 0 to 360-degree range. The extra-large high-contrast display provides fast, clear angle readings, while the deeply etched inch and metric markings let it double as a 15.5-inch ruler. The stainless steel arms are strong and corrosion-resistant, and the IP54 rating means it stands up to dust and water splashes. It also includes a secure locking knob and comes with a protective storage case. Whether you are doing trim work, framing, cabinetry, or tiling, this tool delivers professional precision.